Hi to all, this is Elias from EK Aviation 400, and today we have the November release of Gemini jets, the Delta Airbus A220-100 in scale 1/400. Let's do the unboxing and let's see what this model has to offer. Okay, this is the box, very nice box, very shiny, very good work as always. Inside you can find some information about this particular model, and here's our model. Let's do the unboxing. For the amount of money, once again I will tell you that I don't like this cheap plastic. The foam ones are better. One and another one here, and here is our model. Let me put them, all of it. For the first look, I have something to tell you. The front wheel gear, you know, it's oversized. The first look is that. But let's have a closer look to see some details. In the front of the nose we have a lot of details. We have sensors, the cockpit windows, the first passenger door, of course the windows, the Delta livery. We can see one of the two engines of Pratt & Whitney. It's on this model. The emergency door just in the middle. Of course the winds. On the left and the right wind you can find the navigation lights. The red is on the left and the green is on the right. A little to the back here we have the United States of America flag. The registration number of November 103 Delta uniform. On the horizontal wing we have the Delta livery. Of course the back door is mainly for the catering. It's called catering door. On the other side we have the same things, plus the two cargo doors. Right here you will find the one, and the second one is here, just beneath the American flag and the windows. On the top here we have a lot of details, some antennas, the Wi-Fi box, plus just in the middle here we have the escape hatch for the pilots, just in case of an emergency. I hope they will never use them. On the belly of the aircraft we have a lot of details. The Delta, very nice paint job, the Gemini Jets logo, you can see all the details. The wheels are rolling, okay, but the front wheel is oversized. You can see it clearly here. Plus I've noticed that the guy is doing the quality control. Maybe he had a day off when they released that model. You can see why I'm saying that. The left engine, the number one engine, is going to the right a little bit. Okay, we are not expecting from this size of models to be 100% perfect, but if you're releasing that kind of models with that issues, reduce the price. Okay, the amount of money we are giving to the manufacturers, not only Gemini jets, all the manufacturers, it's a lot of money per year. We are expecting something good in our hands. That's all. I'm not happy with that model, although I was waiting for it in the last month when the Gemini Jets announced that release. I don't know what else I can tell you about that model. Simply, I'm not happy. I'm not happy in the way that I gave a lot of money for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry about my bad review about this particular model. Stay tuned for future releases. I have a couple of pre-orders of the same manufacturer to do the unboxing and the review in the next month. Stay safe. Until the next time, guys. Bye.